The processing procedure of the raw material modifies each raw material into appropriate shapes and sizes. After cutting for each capacity with a slitting machine, standard LV motors are fabricated through punching process. However, non-standard LV motors and MVHV motors are individually fabricated after initial blanking and punching. This is the rotor fabrication procedure. For small-sized LV motor, the rotors are die-casted and assembled with shaft. After machining of the external diameter and balancing, it will be completed. For middle to large size MVHV motors, rotors are fabricated by lamination and blazing of the cores. This is the stator fabrication procedure. For low voltage small size motor, stator cores are fabricated through matching, with a robot-operated one-stop process including insulator insertion, winding and inserting process with an intermediate inspection after wiring. The work in process is then varnish coated in an impregnation chamber to enhance the thermal and electrical insulation. For high-voltage large-size motors, stator cores are fabricated through matching. Copper wires are winded in a clean room. Insulted tape by an automatic taping machine. Preliminary dried, then varnish coated in a VPI tank and finally dried in a drying chamber to enhance the thermal and electrical insulation and mechanical characteristics. This is the rotor and stator assembly. For low-voltage small-size motors, the stator and frame are assembled by a press and further installed with the rotor, brackets and covers, and finished by shaft fixation. For high-voltage large-size motors, after assembling the stator and frame, the rotor, brackets, ventilation box, and other components are installed to finish fabrication. This is the test shop. All type and routine tests can be performed. Major tests include resistance measurement, no-load test, noise and vibration measurement, insulation resistance test. Motors verified through tests are painted and delivered. Thank you for visiting the Motor Factory. Thank you.